Hello, good day, viewers. This is Stingy Tutorials. Stingy Tutorials. You welcome to our class. In our class today, we shall be considering physics. Physics, and the topic of our discourse here is equation of motion. Equation of motion. Let's say equations of motion. All right. Here are the equations where we have V equal to U plus AT. Then you also have S equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared, and V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. Here, let's see the proof of this equation. Number one, let us prove this. V is equal to U plus AT. Alright. Proof. We have the proof. What is acceleration? Acceleration is defined to be the change in velocity with time. Acceleration is defined to be the change in velocity with time. And this is written as acceleration A equal to change in velocity all over time. Here, A is what? Acceleration. V is velocity, and A and T here is my time. So, what do we do? Now we have a change here. This change has to do with two things. We have the final velocity and the initial velocity. So, I will have to write this formula to be 2. We have A equal to final velocity. We have V minus initial velocity all over my T being the time. So we have A for acceleration, V for final velocity, U initial velocity, and our time. Now, what do I do here? I need to make this V, the final velocity, the subject of the formula. What should I do here? So I have to take up this part of the board. Okay. To continue this, I have to do what? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. Multiply. Alright. So T multiply A. Here we have what? This over 1. Here you have 1 multiply V minus U, close bracket, and equal to A multiply T, close bracket. So my 1 times this is giving us 1 times V is V, 1 times minus U is minus U, equal to A times T is what? AT. Alright. So we have to take this U to this other side to give us V equals to U plus AT. This is the equation which is what? U equal to U plus AT proof. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the second one for the S. Let's see the second one for the S. We have S being equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. Okay, all right. How to prove this? The proof. S here stands for distance. U stands for what we call initial velocity. T stands for time. Here is the time to, okay? All right, to prove this, we know that average speed, average speed, I will say average speed, average speed, average speed, speed. I will use letter V to show that. I'll use this average speed. This is the symbol. Average speed is equal to distance covered. Distance. I'll use letter S for distance. Distance all over time. Here, the time I will use letter T to show the time, which should give me average speed is equal to, let's bring out the S, we have the S all over T. Then see my distance S, I can cross multiply. So T times the average speed will give me S is equal to, or the average speed times T. Alright, so to get this, alright, so we have S equal to average speed times T. Now, when it comes to average of two terms, really two numbers, let's assume you ask to find the average of 2 and 6. What do I do for the average? I have to say 2 average is equal to, my average is equal to 2 plus 6 divided by 2 to give me a 6 all over 2, which the answer is equal to 3. I want to learn this for average. So in my average speed, I have v showing velocity, also which is measured in meter per second to be said as speed. So here I can decide to say S is equal to the average. Look at final velocity, final speed, and initial speed, which is final velocity plus initial velocity. So I have to plus the final velocity plus initial velocity all divided by 2. This now is my average speed. So I said V here, average speed is V plus U all over 2. This is average speed. So having that, brought it here to multiply by what? The T. So multiplying this now, I have to say this is the same as having my 1 all over 2 times V plus U, then times my T. This is another formula for equation of motion showing your speed, your distance, sorry, your distance. So distance S is equal to 1 over 2 V plus U, okay, times T. Mind you are looking for, you are proving this. Now to move forward, I then say here, recall that my V is equal to U plus AT. It means that in this equation, anywhere we see V, write what? U plus AT. U plus AT. As simple as that. So here this will give us what? S is equal to 1 over U, 1 over 2. Alright? Bracket open. V is already U plus AT. So I have U plus AT. Then plus U plus U. Then close it and I have my time. So we continue. S being my distance equals to 1 over 2 open bracket. How many U's here? 2U. 1 and 2. I have 2U. Then plus 80 plus my 80. Then times the T outside. I hope you are following. Alright. Then my distance S is equal to 1 over 2. I need to open these brackets. Okay? Open up this bracket, I will have this to be 2 times this is what? Is 2ut. T times this is what? Plus at squared. We are getting there. So I can as well as write this now can be written as s equals to 2 1 times this remains what 2 u t plus a t squared all over 2. All right. Okay. So in this, if I have this in fraction, what does it really mean? If I have this in fraction, what does it mean? Let's assume we have 3 plus 7 over 2 in fraction. This can be written as 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2. Okay, so you see they have the same word denominator being 2. So in this one, I can decide to write my distance s to be equal to my 2ut all over 2 all over 2 then s then plus at squared all over my 2. Hope that is clear. Remember what I said again. If you are given this 3 plus 7 over 2, it can be expressed as what? 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2. So writing this as this is still the same thing. Alright. So at this point, I can then cancel this. My 2 cancel out 2. Okay. We are left with what? S equal to what is remaining here? ut plus then a t squared over 2. Okay. Now, right, I can still write this to be s equal to ut plus how many a is here? 1. I can just write 1 over 2. Then write my a t squared. So this has been proven. Yes, this has been proven. This, like I told you again, this is Kinky tutorial. We run JAMB examination, we run Opportunity examination. We have our link drop below the class, the group. So endeavor to be part of our JAMB class 2026. All right, let's continue. Here is the next equation. How do you prove v squared equal to u squared plus 2as. Let's see proof. Say proof. Okay. Having this, I can start with by saying that v is equal to what? U plus at. And then say what? Square both sides. Square both sides. Square both sides. So if you take square both sides, you have v squared, then equal to this other one now is u plus at. I take my square. Okay, I've squared both sides. Then what would be the product? What would we get as the answer? We'll continue. Here, v squared will be equal to, how do you solve this? In mathematics, if we are given a plus x squared, okay, this is the same as having what? Let me remove this. Yes, the same as having what? The this equals to a plus x times a plus x. So what will happen is that a here will multiply a to give me a squared. And the same a here will multiply what? X to give me what? Ax. I'm done with this one. So I'll go to this one. X multiply a to give me plus ax. Then the same ax multiply x that we need plus x squared. So this will give us what? How many is x here? 2ax. So you see how we got a squared plus 2ax plus x squared. So in this case, we apply the same thing here to expand. How do we expand this? We have u plus at all squared, right? Which is something as what? U plus at and u plus at. See how to do it. This u multiply out this u to give me what? U squared. And this u multiply out 80 to give me plus u 80. Then after that, this 80 multiply this to give me something what? U 80. And 80 here multiply 80s to give me what? How many a? A times a squared. T times t squared. So how many u80? We have 2u80. Alright, so we have u squared plus 2u80 plus what? T squared. So we see that our u plus 80 squared, 80 all squared is the same thing as what this. So I have u equals this equals what? U squared plus 2u80 then plus a t squared. This is a squared t squared. So plus a squared t squared. Okay, having known this, I can then do what? Look for the common terms here and here. Here and here. What is common? I can then write what? V squared is equal to u squared plus 2. Then I have my a is common a. So what is not common here between these two? I can write as what? Ut is remaining. When you take out 2a, ut remain. When you take out a here, okay, you can write this as 1 over 2 a t squared. Okay, you get it? How is it the same thing as this? Look at this. If I have my 2a multiply times 1 over 2at squared. So you see that this one cancels out this, right? And I have a times a to give me a squared. And I have my t squared. That is how we got it. So then, having known this one look like something. Is it not true? Look like what we have just done here in the other equation. So he said, but s is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. Oh, so what do I need to do now? Since all these things is something as s, I don't need to waste time and to just put my s here and move on. So I have v squared to be equal to u squared plus 2a. Then bracket open s. Okay, so this will give us what? Finally, v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Alright, you see, from our proof, we have seen that it is possible to prove these equations. We are not just to get them. So we are proving that v being final velocity is equal to u plus at. And we are also proving that s is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared, equation of motion. And finally, we are proving that v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Don't forget this formula for your equation of accelerated motion. Once more, um, um, the lesson is from Kinji tutorial. Still do well to like, share this video, and see you in our next class. Goodbye for now. Thank you.